Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is another hair treatment video using just only 2 ingredients. So guys, this treatment is for the scalp and hair strand. We all know that growing a really healthy hair, you need to make sure that your scalp is healthy. For those that suffer from any scalp infection like dandruff, itchy, irritation, lice, this treatment is going to help clarify your scalp. So guys, let's get into the video. Our first ingredient for this treatment is fresh mint leaf. Mint is one of the highest source of carotene and antioxidants. It offers natural antimicrobial and antifungal property, which helps to reduce dandruff and any other scalp issue. And also, mint also help in preventing hair loss and hair breakage. It also helps to improve the blood circulation on the scalp, which in turn promotes hair growth. Our next ingredient is moringa leaf. Moringa contains vitamin C and E, which help in the improvement of blood circulation in the scalp. The zinc in moringa stimulates hair growth. Zinc is probably the biggest player in hair game. Not only has low level of zinc but linked to poor hair growth and even hair loss. It has also been shown to help improve hair growth and help damaged hair follicle recover more quickly. Moringa is a storehouse of all nutrients required for healthy hair, which is why it is called the miracle tree. Proper blood circulation to the scalp enable hair follicle to grow stronger and healthier. So in a pot, I add into a cup of water, then add in my mint leaf and fresh moringa leaf. If you did not have access to the fresh one, you can use the powder form, then place it on a stove and allow it to boil for make sure it boils for 15 to 20 minutes. Then turn off your stove, then allow it to cool down. So after cooling it down, then strain it out. We don't want the particle like the leaf in it, so we only need the water. So all you have to do is to strain out the spray. This spray is very potent. So after straining it out, you can transfer it into your spray bottle for easy application. Then add in your essential oil. It's also optional. You can add in your tea tree oil, peppermint oil, rosemary oil. So this is our spray. This spray is very potent. All the ingredients, all the nutrients in the leaves has already infused into this water. This spray is very potent. These 2 ingredients work perfectly for the scalp. Like, let me tell you guys, honestly, if you really want to grow a healthy hair, you need to make sure that your follicle, which is literally your scalp, is healthy. That is where your hair growth starts from, and make sure it is healthy. If you are suffering from serious scalp condition, growing a healthy hair is going to be a big problem for you. So make sure you use this treatment at least twice in a month. You don't have to get to a point where your hair is already suffering from scalp diseases before you start treating. You can also use this just to prevent them from happening. So this is what we are working with. My hair is really streaked. I just put it down from a protective style. Then I will go ahead and just use this treatment on it like I mentioned earlier. This treatment is for your hair strand and also your scalp. So you have seen I'm also massaging this treatment into my scalp like I mentioned. You don't need to wait till all your scalp is covered with dandruff, lice, with itches before you start using it. Make sure you use this treatment just to prevent yourself from getting there. So after I spray it on my hair, then massage it into my scalp, then I use my Vaseline, my cinnamon Vaseline, to seal in the moisture, because this will dry out quickly and it will cause breakage. So I use my Vaseline. The video of this Vaseline is already on my channel. You can check it out, or I link it in the description box. So at this point, I will apply it to my hair strand. It smells like a fresh leaf. It doesn't even have a terrible smell. It doesn't have a scent because it is a fresh leaf. It just smells like a normal fresh leaf. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and massage this into my scalp. Like I said, you don't need to wait till you have a problem. Preventing, they said, is better than cure. So make sure you do this at least 2 to 3 times in a month. And also, one good thing about this treatment is the fact that it also helps to reduce shedding and hair breaking. And also, the moringa inside of this treatment is inevitable. For those that suffer from hair changing, sometimes the color of your hair will just go from black to another different color. Sometimes your hair will start looking it's turning into brown while your original hair color is black. The moringa leaf inside of this treatment contain copper, which helps to retain your natural hair color and also up to delay graying. So at this point, I will just go ahead and make sure I apply this treatment into all the parts of my hair. Apply it to my scalp and massage it into my scalp. Also apply it into my hair strand. This treatment is a leave-in, so you don't have to wash it out. You can leave it into your hair for days as long as you want. And also, this treatment is for all hair type. It's for natural hair, relaxed hair. Even if you have locks, you can use it as far as the hair is growing out of the scalp. So this treatment is for you. Like I mentioned, you don't need to get to a point where you are suffering from serious dandruff or serious scalp issue or serious breakage before you do this treatment. You can use this treatment for 3 to 4 times in a month just to prevent your hair from getting to that point. So if you are suffering from any form of hair steaming or your hair is getting brittle, this is the kind of treatment you should consider adding to your hair regimen. It also helps to increase the volume of your hair. So guys, at this point I made sure that all my hair strand and my scalp are covered with this treatment. So guys, at this moment my hair really feel soft and moisturized. So like I always said, don't neglect your edges. Your edges also need this treatment. So guys, that is it for today's video. That is all I do in my channel. If you find this video very helpful and useful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also share to your lovely ones. Also comment and subscribe to the channel, join the family, then turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to notified whenever I post a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.